So let's now have a look at the inspection dashboard. So if I navigate to inspections, you'll see that I have three main options to pre-filter the inspections for me. The first one, allocated, is obviously inspections that have been allocated and where the upload has not yet started or finished. The second one is inspections done. This refers to inspections that have been completed by the agent, but where it hasn't been reviewed on the portal side. So maybe you haven't sent out the inspection reports, you haven't opened maintenance tickets and so on. So the actual inspection has been done, but the inspection process in its entirety has not been completed yet. Now, you'll note on this query, you can see whether the inspection has finished uploading or whether it's still in progress like the one showing here. So once this one completes, then I know that I can go in and create my reports and so on. So while we wait for this inspection to finish uploading, let's have a look at one of our other inspections. So I can click on this icon with the 4 blocks to open the inspection dashboard for any of my inspections. Now, this is where you will see the main detail of the inspection, the status, the date and time, and then we've got a tab here for landlord and tenant details, where you can find the contact details and the names of the landlord and tenant. And you can see if there are any signatures that have been uploaded as well. Then we've got a tab for our reports. So any reports that we generate will be under the reports section. And we've got a section for our comparison records. Then at the bottom of the screen, we've got the inspection checklist items. So it's important to note that the inspection areas and the inspection items are two different entities. So you first need areas before you can add items. That's why you have this edit inspection areas option here. So if you click on this, this will show you a list of all the areas that are defined for this inspection. In this case, there are 3 areas, so living area, bedroom, and bathroom. And you can also see what the sequence number is for the reporting purpose and also the number of checks in each area. Now, obviously, it's very easy to add more areas by just tapping on Add Inspection Area here at the top. And then we've got our areas. So if we want to manually add an inspection item after the inspection has been uploaded or before you download it to the device, you just enter new item, select the area from the 3 that we have defined, and then we can specify the name of the item. And we can specify the condition here as well if we're not going to do it on the app. Then we can also see you can filter. So if you want to search, for instance, for taps or anything like that, you can easily find it using the filters here, and we can see any recommendations. So on the right hand side of each item, we've got the option to edit the item like that, or you can delete an item. You can upload another photo. So if you click on that, it will bring up an option where you can select the photo from your desktop. Just note, we always recommend that you resize the photos first before uploading it if you are doing manual photos. So you can use one of these tools to resize your photos. And then you can click on this icon. If it has photos, you can click on this icon to view the photo specific to that item, like that. And then you can say back to all photos if you want to see the full list again. Also note, if there are a lot of photos, then there will be a page counter here, so you can just navigate between the pages and so on. Then at the top, we've got our open maintenance ticket option, the generate report options, which we'll go through in other videos, and of course our tools. And then you can also delete or rename a photo if you want by just right-clicking on the photo and selecting the delete option, and then you can just confirm and it will delete that photo for you. So that is the basic layout of the inspection dashboard, and in the next video we'll take a look at how you can compile and send an inspection report.